Once upon a time, in the heart of Kenya's sprawling savannah, nestled between the majestic Kilimanjaro and the endless expanse of the Serengeti, lived the Maasai community. These proud and graceful people had called this land home for centuries, sharing an unbreakable bond with the earth and the animals that roamed upon it. The Maasai were known far and wide for their vibrant culture, rich traditions, and captivating dances. One particular dance held a special place in their hearts, the Ilkipirak dance, performed during the annual migration of the wildebeests. This migration, often called the greatest show on earth, saw millions of wildebeests and other animals embarking on a treacherous journey across the plains in search of greener pastures. As the time for the migration drew near, the Maasai community buzzed with excitement. Young and old alike eagerly anticipated the arrival of the wildebeests, not only for the spectacle of nature but also for the opportunity to showcase their ancestral dance to the world. The Ilkipirak dance was a true embodiment of unity and celebration. It brought together the entire Maasai community, from elders with wisdom etched into their faces to the youngest children whose eyes sparkled with wonder. The dance was a symphony of rhythmic stomping, melodious chanting, and graceful movements that seemed to sync with the very heartbeat of the land. Tourists from around the globe heard whispers of this enchanting dance and the mesmerizing migration, and their curiosity was piqued. They embarked on journeys across oceans and continents, drawn by the allure of witnessing nature's grand spectacle and the Maasai's captivating performance. Upon arriving in the Maasai village, the tourists were welcomed with open arms and warm smiles. They were invited to partake in the preparation for the Ilkipirak dance, donning traditional Maasai attire and adorning themselves with intricate beadwork. The Maasai shared stories of their history, their connection to the land, and the significance of the migration in their culture. As the sun began to set on the vast horizon, casting a warm golden glow over the savannah, the moment arrived. The air was charged with anticipation, and the tourists gathered in a circle with the Maasai dancers at the center. The rhythmic drumming began, accompanied by the soul-stirring chants that seemed to echo across the plains. The Maasai dancers moved with grace and precision, their bodies swaying in harmony with the earth's pulse. It was as if they were channeling the energy of the wildebeests themselves, celebrating the cycle of life and the eternal connection between humans and nature. The tourists watched in awe, their hearts stirred by the sheer beauty of the moment. As the dance reached its crescendo, a distant rumble filled the air. The ground trembled beneath their feet, and then, like a wave crashing upon the shore, the wildebeests arrived. Millions of hooves pounded the earth, their collective movement a breathtaking display of nature's power and resilience. The tourists stood transfixed, witnessing the convergence of two awe-inspiring phenomena, the wildebeest migration and the Maasai's Ilkipirak dance. In that magical moment, the bonds of culture and nature intertwined, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of all who were present. And so, the story of the Maasai and their enchanting dance spread far and wide, carried by the tourists who had been fortunate enough to witness this extraordinary union of tradition and nature's wonder. The Maasai community continued to welcome visitors with open hearts, inviting them to experience the rhythm of their dance and the majesty of the wildebeest migration, reminding the world of the profound beauty that lies within the embrace of the land and its people.